Breakfast fit.
Breakfast.
Breakfast, I get it. Here it is. Get coffee. Oh my gosh. The matcha is so good.
Sipping it, sip. Name, babe.
Beautiful.
There's my dad's up for 50.
Snack's so good, we had to get it back.
A hill climb.
Holy macaroni.
Back into the trailer.
Let's full send.
Let's try it. We have a trailer to haul our bag. It already fits. I keep it clean.
We always end up walking through these drive-thrus. Because coconut. What'd you get? Cookie butter? I just feel like we have a kite behind us.
Not really.
It just looks like, I feel like it's just gonna bounce. Oh gosh.